As flowers begin to blossom and birds rejoice in the fresh warm air, we gather once again to anticipate the crowning of the new Miss Holy Virgin 2009. At this memorable time a year ago, I was luckily bestowed the title of Miss Holy Virgin 2008. For the past year, I did my best to live up to the expectations and responsibilities of this title. Being the Miss Holy Virgin 2008 has helped me to learn that nothing is unattainable. There were doubts from friends and family when I announced that I was entering the pageant last year. They advised me not to enter because it would be too much work. Despite the worries, I believed that I could capture the crown for our class. I was, however, hesitant because I was not sure how the students of Holy Virgin would receive me. When the host announced me, the cheers I got from the guests and audience wowed me, and I knew at once that Holy Virgin would be there to give me love and support. For this warm embrace, I say maraming salamat po. But all these wonderful experiences would not have been possible without the time and dedication of the organizers of this pageant, also our advisor, Mrs. Ana Leong Sansoy, and the whole class. To you people, I would like to thank and tell you how much I appreciate your encouraging words, support, and guidance. I also want to thank all of last year's contestants and my court. What an awesome group we were. To all the sponsors of the Miss Holy Virgin pageant, thank you for all their prizes and continuous support. Most importantly, I would like to thank my family, especially my mom and dad, for all they have done for me. And of course, my trainer, Tatay, and his assistant. I would not have achieved all of this if it wasn't for them. Tonight, as my reign comes to an end, it will only be the crown that I will be giving away. I will forever treasure the memories, friendships, and invaluable experiences from what had been a truly unforgettable year. I'm passing this crown with mixed feelings of joy and sadness. I will miss all the great experiences that you will soon enjoy. I hope that I have been able to give back half of what has given so generously to me. To the new Miss Holy Virgin 2009, I welcome you to the royal family. Each of the women who have embodied the role of Miss Holy Virgin before you have contributed something unique to this style and to the representation of culture, virtue, grace, beauty, and intelligence. Now it's up to you. It will not be easy, but you will have to look inside yourself for that strength and conviction to live up to the image. Never forget your roots, beliefs, and who you really are from the image you are portraying. Most importantly, enjoy your year as I have mine. That is all. Thank you.